Hi! Today we're going to be learning about the very first Thanksgiving. So we're going to learn about pilgrims and American Indians and corn and the journey across the sea and the Mayflower. Aren't you excited? Because I know I am. Hold on to your seats. Let's go. Alright, first we're going to start off by going to Cymbaloo. So go ahead and go to Google and search Cymbaloo and go to my class, which is Miss Cute's second grade class. And then we're going to go to the very top corner right here, which is going to be Animoto. So your Animoto is different from my Animoto, so I'm going to show you the video that I want you guys to see, and then you guys are also going to make a video for what your Thanksgivings look like, okay? So here's my Animoto, and this is what the very first Thanksgiving looks like, alright? And I want your videos to be from a minute to 2 minutes long, alright? So here's the very first Thanksgiving. The first Thanksgiving. The Pilgrims left England and they were on the Mayflower. The journey at sea was very hard and very cramped. Some pilgrims even died. They landed in Massachusetts of December of 1620. The Pilgrims chopped down lots of trees and used them to make houses. Pilgrims made friends with the Native Americans. The Native Americans taught the Pilgrims to fish, hunt, and plant corn and other stuff. What do you think will happen next? Alright, so next we're going to go to Twitter. So there should be a Twitter link on your Cymbaloo, but if you can't find it, just go ahead and Google Twitter. Right here I've got Twitter open. So go ahead and do your login and password. I'm not going to do it so you don't know mine. But on Twitter, we are going to have a Twitter survey, and it's going to ask you which option do you think is going to happen next, alright? And in the next video, you'll find out which ones of you got it right. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Next video, we're going to find out which one of you got it right, and we'll find out what happens next. Alright, bye guys. See you next time.